I can't see them, but I can hear them. This is up on Mount Albert, in amongst the trees that they want to chop down. And yes, they are non-natives. However, they are still homes for birds. And I think what the community here is asking, and rightly so, is that they take the trees down as the natives grow. The funny thing is, right over here is a sports field. That's not on the chopping block. To me, if they really cared about returning this maunga to its original state, they'd plant the field. Oh, there's some birds. You can see them there. Oh, can you see them? Tui flying around. So, they have this sports field, which should be the first place that gets replanted. How about that, people? Returning the maunga to its original state, but leave the sports field alone. Makes no sense.